Hey, how's it going, everyone? Brad here from West Coast Motorcycle Adventures. Just picked up myself a motorcycle jack from Canadian Tire. These retail for 200 bucks, and I was able to pick it up on sale for 150. And it's going to pay for itself the first time that I use it today. I need to take my front wheel off my Yamaha TW200 and bring it in and have the bike shop put my new tire on for me. If I bring the bike in, it costs 200 bucks to have them swap the tire. And if I bring the whole wheel into them, it only costs me 45 bucks. So 45 bucks plus 150 bucks, save myself 5 bucks. That's only the first time that I use this. Now, this is going to come in so handy for doing all sorts of motorcycle maintenance. So, in my opinion, that's a free motorcycle jack right there. So, I'm going to set it up and see how it works. So, stay tuned. Let's jack this bike up. All right, let's open this up and take a look at it. All right, well, this is going to be fun to put together. Here we go. And there it is, Motomaster motorcycle lift. Time to lift up my motorcycle, get this front wheel off, and bring it into Courtney Motorsports to put my new tire on. Went to Courtney Motorsports to have them put a new tire on for me. And unfortunately, I guess they are closed early today due to a memorial service. So, sorry to hear. Rest in peace to whoever passed away. I guess I'm going to put my old tire back on and take it in on Monday when they open again. So, that's that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.